Okay, Lauren, come to this rock place behind the Museum of Art, like right up in there.
Yeah.
Or right under here.
Yeah.
A nice pine place. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? This is grade A. Oh, they even got a little bench.
Cute.
Probably because it's unstable. Like me. Well.
You can pretend you're a bit.
Yeah, if I just zoom in a little bit.
Love you.
Welcome, guys. I'm here editing my weekend in New York. I'm kind of glad I'm done for a little while because I honestly am over working 16-hour days, and now I get to finally have a little break. Haley still has to work, but I'm basically just gonna be filming videos all this week so that I can prepare for posting videos while I'm away. So I'm still holding up to my daily videos. That's what I just want to do it. I just want to do the daily videos, and I have been doing the daily videos since August when I started this daily vlog. So, and I'm really proud of the fact it's almost been a year of daily videos. Maybe not daily vlogs, but daily videos. There's been some bad ones and there's been some good ones, but that's just what happens when you're posting a video every day, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna get editing. Video is rendering. Haley sent me a post for donuts. And they have my favorite flavor. And that's an issue because, like, I should not be eating stuff because I didn't really eat good yesterday. It was all donuts. Still trying to get this stain out of my shirt. And then I was like, you know what? If I die today, would eating those donuts be worth it? And then I'm like, yes. So we're gonna go pick up some donuts. Because I just want to. I want donuts. We can work out extra hard, okay? I'm feeding my unhealthy habit, okay? It's also 35 degrees outside, which, well, 35 degrees is 35 degrees. Okay, I didn't really charge my scooter, so we're gonna be going very slow on it, which is unfortunate for me, because I have a lot of stuff to get done today, but I'm over it. I say that so much. I should put that on a t-shirt, you know. Let me tell you, I was fighting for my life out there on my scooter. Oh my God, it was so cold. It was so cold. For what? For what? It's spring. It's so cold for what? So I have to go by City Hall to get these stupid donuts. But this is Haley's. I got her a little something. But I have to go by City Hall, and somebody flipped their car over, like fully over, right by City Hall, like right outside of it. I was like, oh. Like, it was crazy. I had never seen nothing like that in Center City like that. But these are the donuts that I got today, okay? All right, so we got this like chocolate cookie dough one. Right, we got this chocolate cookie dough one. And then we got my favorite one, the Dunkaroo, because it's got the cream inside, the frosting. Okay, I'm gonna try this chocolate one and I hope it's good. Oh my god. Donuts are so good. Like, why do they gotta be bad for you? So the cookie's hard on top of it. It's like a cookie, not soft. I thought it would be softer. So good. All right, now my favorite one. I mean, just look at it. It is so good. It's so good. So, I worked out for about an hour, and I posted on Instagram, and then I've been consuming media since, and it's 12 o'clock. So, it's a sunny day outside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it doesn't really matter because I have to edit. I did a video this morning. I had to re-render it because the color grading I had to do on it, with these camcorders, it's hard to do any color grading because already the footage is bad. And when you add a layer of like saturation and, you know, coloration and things like that, it just gets even more pixelated. And sometimes it's like a cool vibe and sometimes it's very annoying. Okay, so my video is rendering the second one of today. Figured I'd try these energy bursts is what they're called. My girlfriend got them for me because she goes, I hope this helps. And I just wanna, oh, they're like covered with sugar. They're like interesting. Oh, they're like hard but chewy. If that makes sense. This whole thing is 90 calories, 3 grams of protein. I've been having so much caffeine lately, like it is probably so unhealthy how much caffeine I've been having. I had a coffee last night at like 5 o'clock. Probably why I had some weird dreams last night. It's 42 degrees. Yeah, so it's 1 o'clock right now. I'm tired. Okay. The third video episode is getting rendered now. Oh, I'm so tired. It's 2:23. So now I just get to create. Truthfully, what do I feel like creating right now? I just feel like doing a photo shoot. But for photo shoots to be interesting is I need to find interesting poses and an interesting outfit. That's the whole intent behind photo shoots, right? The outfit, the intention behind the photo shoot, and the meaning, the purpose, right? What kind of music you're going to pair it with. All these things add into account for a photo shoot. And, you know, thankfully I get to do a photo shoot whenever I want to because I have all the equipment to do so, which is great. And I love that about what my abilities and about myself, you know what I mean? That I can create images somewhat how I envision them, or how Pinterest is, or, you know, Instagram, whatever. All right, let's go do my hair. Guys, this new song from Miley Cyrus, a banger. Okay, so took some images. I love black and white photography. I just love black and white images because like it's just so classic. But I took them in color, but I obviously put them in Lightroom and then I do all the things to them. But yes, that's what I'm gonna do now while some of my stuff is still doing the YouTube stuff. If I had people to take pictures with, I would totally do that, but I don't have any friends that want to take pictures, so I just do it myself, basically, in a nutshell. My hair came out so good. I passed over it once and I was like, you know what, this is perfect. The waves, perfect. I did it so perfectly. And sometimes it's just like that. Sometimes it looks like shit, but sometimes it comes out so well, so neat, and it just is so good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. On that note, I'm gonna get editing these pictures here. It's windy. We're going to Target.
Now it stopped being windy.
I know, now it stopped being windy. But we're going to Target to get stuff to make hot dogs.
We're getting crescent rolls because we don't have any.
Yeah. Also, what happened to the warm weather? When I came home, it just dissipated. Maybe got the bad luck.
Spring. This is, as Alaska will be this, but cold, a little colder, I think.
Cold. It'll be cold.
But like, it'll be so pretty. But
I mean, Maine was just so... I hate Target, but here we go. We have gift cards. This is just all I do. I just follow her around. What?
and then they give me some. And that we're either going to be sharing a room with people or we have to pay.
Yum. I love my girlfriend.
I know you.